Alright, this is the highlight video from GreatStockPicks.com, live trading chat room from Monday, August 29th. Just a quick, before I get started on that, we only had a few calls today. This market's pretty tough for me as far as giving great opportunities unless you catch one at the right time. Otherwise, it's just been grinding. But just want to take a quick glance at the SPY. I've been telling everybody the SPY is basically in a range, even though it's been chaotic, okay? It's trying to break out of that range. It technically, if I really zoomed in, it's closed above recent highs. Okay, let me get all those lines out of the way. The high back on August 17th was 121.20, and it closed at 121.36. So it technically is out of the range it's been in. Now that doesn't mean much. And if you notice the volume here, very low today. Don't know if that's post-tropical storm plus a Monday with not much financial news, and we're late August, so you know it's slow trading. Let me show you a 5-minute of the SPY after the gap up. Look at that slow grind. So not giving a lot of trading opportunities as it's grinding higher, but we did find some real nice entries today. U.S. Steel, the letter X, certainly my best call today. I called U.S. Steel at 28.82. Let me use my arrow so I can show it to you here. Literally called it right there on that green candle. And the stop right below that green candle. Very proud of that call. 28.82 entry. The stop was 7 cents below. And it never got hit. So, you know, imagine 1,000 shares. You risk $70. Ends up going over 30. So it makes a, I think, $1.24 at its highs. $1.24 move on 7 cents risk. So real nice entry there in U.S. Steel. MTW I called early. After it broke the early high of the day, I called it on this pullback at 10.82 right here. Again, a nice low risk stop, 8 cents below. Never got stopped out. From 10.82, it did make it to 11.37. Not a huge move, but a 55-cent move at its highs on 8 cents risk. And also called Skyworks SWKS early. 20.35, right about here. Worst case stop was 15 cents below, and it made it to 20.80, so almost 50 cents there on 15 cents risk. None of them stopped out, and I believe, let me double check, I think that was the only 3 official calls today. I also made one call that didn't trigger, and one 15-cent risk on an inverse ETF in case the market was going to roll over. And that one did cost 15 cents. So that's the brunt of the entire day's calls right there. Certainly U.S. Steel being the highlight. So who knows what to expect the rest of the week? Well, we'll keep a close eye on the SPY while we look for ideas. But love the low-risk trading. It's keeping us out of trouble. And as long as you're patient and wait for those low-risk setups, it's a good way to stay out of trouble. So have a good night, and we'll talk to you later.